Although housebreaking a puppy or older dog may seem difficult, practically every dog can be taught to wait at the door and go potty outside rather than inside. Establish a program for feeding and exercising your dog. 1. Take your dog for frequent walks outside. The most crucial thing you can do to train your dog to go potty outside is this. Try to take them outside as frequently as you can, roughly every half an hour, even if it might seem excessive. Maintain a routine and avoid skipping even one specified, outside time, as your dog will come to equate these outdoor excursions with going to the bathroom. 2. Set up a feeding regimen for your dog. Feed your dog every morning and evening at the same time, and then give him a 20 to 30 minute wait before letting him out. It will be simpler to estimate when your dog has to use the restroom if you have a feeding routine, which will facilitate house training. 3. Understand how to read your dog's cues to go potty. Walking stiffly, sniffing the ground as if looking for a place to go, holding their tail in an odd position, and other symptoms are some of the warning signs. Even if it's earlier than the scheduled time for going outdoors, take your dog outside as soon as he exhibits indicators of the need to relieve himself. Before you let them outside, use a verbal cue like, outside. You'll eventually be able to ask them if they need to go outside by just speaking the word. 4. Select a specific location outside. If you don't have a backyard, pick somewhere nearby a spot of grass that is green. Every time you walk outside, take your dog back to the same location. Dogs are routine-oriented animals. By selecting a suitable location for them to use as their bathroom each time they go outside, you can make your dog feel more at ease and less frightened. As soon as you get at the location, give a verbal cue like, go potty. They'll begin to connect it to the location. 5. When house training your dog, keep an eye on him. Plan to spend a lot of time keeping an eye on your dog or puppy when you first bring them home to make sure they don't relieve themselves inside. This interval of supervision is crucial because it helps you to train the dog to immediately correlate the impulse to go outdoors with going to the potty. The fastest approach to house train a dog or puppy is to catch them before they enter the house. 6. When you go away or at night, keep your dog in a crate. Your dog or puppy will definitely soil the floor if you let them run around inside the house at night. The likelihood that they'll cause a mess is decreased if you keep them in a nice crate at night and while you're away. Dogs don't like to soil their dens, therefore your dog will attempt to hold off on going potty until they can go outside. 7. Resolve messes immediately. If your dog creates a mess inside the house, which they will undoubtedly do, clean it up as soon as possible and apply a cleaning solution to remove the odor. Your dog will mistake a particular area for a bathroom if they smell an old mess there. 8. Every time your dog successfully exits the house, reward him with treats and praise. The greatest method for dogs to learn is through positive reinforcement, and they rapidly figure out how to acquire it. Give your dog a small treat, lots of praise, and a head scratch after they successfully relieve themselves in their chosen place. 9. The reward is timed properly. Give your dog a treat and some praise as soon as they are done using the restroom when you are rewarding them for using the bathroom in their designated area. They won't associate it with using the restroom in the proper location if you offer it too early or too late. 10. To assist with training, think about employing a bell or chime. Instead of a treat, some people have found success using the bell technique. You ring a bell or play a melodious chime as part of your dog's reward when they relieve themselves in their designated place. The chime, which should only be used in this particular circumstance, will cause the dog to begin anticipating its sound. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more life-changing content and hit the like button. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.